In this video, we are going to study various properties of the image formed by a convex lens. Convex lens is also called a converging lens because it converges all the lights from a point object at a single location. All the refracted rays get accumulated at a single point, and this is where the image is formed. Now, if you look carefully, each ray is refracted twice at the two boundaries. However, for simplicity, we will remove the refraction which is happening inside the lens. It is okay if we do that, since that's not really important to us right now. So what we will do is, instead of showing no ray inside, we will extend the incident ray half the distance inside and assume it refracts from this point. Let me repeat what I said. Instead of showing two refractions like this, we will assume the refraction to be like this from this point. Now usually our objects are three-dimensional and not just a single point. Here is one example of how the image of a 3D object looks like if the object is between f1 and 2f1. The image is bigger in size and it's inverted. This image is in fact a real image as it's inverted. Also, it's formed beyond 2f2 on the other side of the lens. What will happen if I change the position of the object? What if I keep it at 2f1 instead? This is how the image will look like. Notice now that it's of the same size as the object is, but it's still inverted. Also, the position of the image changed too. It's now formed exactly at 2f2 on the other side. The image is formed at the same distance from the lens as object is on the other side. Okay, so what can you conclude from these two examples? One thing that you can be sure of now is that the image properties may vary as we change the position of the object. The size of the image, the position of the image, and the nature of the image may change with the change in the object's position. Let's make a table having 4 columns in it. The first column represents the position of an object. Second, third, and fourth represent all the properties of the image, that's its position, its size relative to the object, and its nature. Nature of the image means whether the image is a real image or a virtual image. Okay, so for these two positions, we already know the properties of image with the help of the ray diagrams we drew. We will cover the remaining cases in the following parts of the video.